little learners. Let's explore more. Today we are going to meet some special friends who will help us learn about colors. Get ready for a colorful adventure as the color introduce themselves and show us things that represent their unique hues. Hey there, it's me, Yellow. I am vibrant and as bright as the shining sun. I bring warmth and happiness. Look, there's yellow lemons. Look so vibrant. When you spot something yellow, that's me, spreading joy. Hey there, it's me, blue, the calmest color of all. Today I have two exciting things to show you that represent my beautiful blue shades. It's blue whale gracefully swimming through the water. Let's move to the land and discover blue daisy, spreading its sweet smell. When you spot something blue, that's me, spreading tranquility. Hello, I am red. Look at me. I am as bright as fire. I love things that are vibrant like rose and juicy apples. Remember, whenever you see something red, that's me, spreading love. Hello, little friends. I am green, the color of nature. Look, there's green plant smiling and green caterpillar crawling. When you see anything green, that's me, celebrating nature's beauty. Hey, it's orange, the zesty color. I am full of energy and excitement. Look, there is juicy orange waiting to be eaten. And that orange fox wants to eat it. When you spot anything orange, that's me, adding a splash of zest. Hello everyone, I am pink, the color of sweetness and joy. Let me show you that cute butterfly is flying. And this is beautifully wrapped pink box representing me. Whenever you spot anything pink, that's me, spreading happiness and beauty. Hi, it's purple here. I am the color of royalty and enchantment. Watch as I show you brinjal and beautiful purple colored pencils. Whenever you see something purple, that's me, bringing touch of magic. Hey, I am grey, the color of sophistication. Let me show you two things that represent my elegance. Let's observe that wolf having fur of grey color and those grey clouds bringing rain. Whenever you spot anything grey, it's me, bringing sophistication. Hey, I am brown, the color of earth and warmth. Let me show you two earthy animals. The brown bear and squirrel bringing a touch of nature's wonder. Whenever you see something brown, it's me, connecting to earth. Hello, I am white, the color of purity. Let me show you two things that display my hue. Look at these eggs, their shells are white. Now let's discover the snowflakes falling on mountains, covering them in a blanket of white. Whenever you spot something white, it's me with a sense of purity. Hi, I am black, the color of elegance and mystery. Let me show you two things that represent my timeless charm. Look at that graceful black suit. People wear me to show elegance. And here is raven, seems mysterious. Whenever you spot something black, it's me, exuding a touch of mystery and elegance. Congratulations, young learners! You have successfully explored the world of colors. and become expert in recognizing different hues. Colors bring beauty and joy to our lives. And we hope this adventure has sparked your curiosity about the colorful world around you. So keep your eyes open and continue to discover the wonders of color every day. Remember, this world is a canvas painted with a vibrant palette of colors, waiting for you to explore. Stay colorful. Happy exploration!